number 5. No?
She's the fifth child.
Sleeping tent with the hot water inside. On the top of it is a kind of fabric. And she pour the white fluid rice powder with water over there, a little amount, and make a circle.
Like a pancake.
Make a circle very quickly, very thin, you see over there. And after that, close it. Just around 45 seconds, 1 minute only. It will come, this one, she use a roll to roll it and right into this one. Some area they use the bamboo beno. Some area they use this one, the leaf for waving. And after that, for the rice paper here, they will write under the sunshine from 1 to 2 days.
Final first.
Cái gì? Gì sáng vậy? Mấy chả mình cái gì à?
And some sugar and some peanuts is this dish. The fruit over there we call rose apple. Tropical fruit.
Shall I bring paper?
Yes.
I will put them up there and then I'll come and help you with more. We're going left?
My goodness.
Hi, hi.
Esther, I'm very modern on my bike.
Jag är från Falun och sitter bakom en cykel.
Inte det här är nice.
Esther, I'm very modern on my bike. I am from Falun, so I sit bakom en cykel.
Inte det här är nice.
I will put them up there and then I'll come and help you with more.
Nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117,
Bye.
come in there?
Are you for the bicycle today? Is they doing good? Yeah? Oh, what did you do? Yeah. We met it and we eat what we make today. To ferment all the ingredients together and after 3 hours. We can standing around here. Standing around here. When you finish, put it here.
Har du tatt mel på den? Hanna? Har du tatt mel på? Du skal legge ned melet.
It's lovely. Would you like to try, Espen?
In Vietnamese, we call it is bánh tiêu.
Mine is nice, though. It's like a big
Jag må ju ta bilder av donaten med.
And donut med. That's donut med.
So what made this one?
It's a...
Ja. Så fisken der borte? Ja.
That's too hot for me.
Ai giá tiền ngồi ghế giữa. Tại vì my husband told me, my gold.
Your husband?
Yeah, very.
You have to collect the children?
Con, bạn Nam á, bạn chỉ giữa nè. Everyone here? Okay? This is the place that made the puff rice. This is like a puff pork. Like puff pork. Yeah, that's the way how they evaluate the sand. and they reuse the sand for more times. So whenever the sand gone away, they will put more sand inside for cooking. And another step you can move here to see another step. They use the bigger basket and then the shaker and the rice husk will fall down this way. Then they can collect the rice husk here for fire. And cassava, this is only one cup rice. Okay, while we're looking for how they made it, we will enjoy the pop rice in my hand. It's still hot. Yeah, it's still hot. Pop tapioca, sorry, pop tapioca noodle.
Ủa cái màu hồng là dâu hả? Strawberry. Yes. Cái màu vàng là sầu riêng hay là truyền thống vậy? Cái màu vàng.
Này à? Màu trắng.
So one pack of pop rice I did. Thank you.
Đây strawberry. Black one is
with cotton, with chocolate, with ginger, with milk, peanut, different flavor. They will put the coconut down like this, and then they take off the husk outside. With the husk here, we can use this for fire or for fertilizer. And some bigger factory, they will collect the fiber inside, and they can use it to make the rope on the boat. This one. With the coconut candy here, we can use this long coconut here to
Ja, smak Veronica. Se hvordan den går med deg.
snack one.
Hvordan føler du det nå? Hva smakte det? Det smakte litt.
So the snake
Snake?
was in here.
Okay.
Nå var det nølende, Marianne.
Snake inside, snake.
Jeg tror denne kursen er igjen.
This will work after 5 minutes. Hurry up to make the homestay.
Hurry up to the homestay.
Right here together.
Discover anything?
Når vi kommer fram til homestayen, så sjekker man inn der hvor man får beskjed om å være.
Thôi không chịu đâu. Yeah, and take a photo with? And one slide, yes. Root of the tree. Yeah. Very tasty.
Root of a tree? Root?
Take it, yes, and mix it together. Okay. Yeah. Try to roll it and make it tight to each other.
No.
Water, turmeric powder, green onion, egg, and we mix it together. And now look, she do the first one, and after that you can follow her. So 3 people can do it at the same time. So the first one she will make for us to see. Đợi siêu Bảy làm cái rồi cái hả cho.
Rồi, Bảy làm.
Yeah. First of all, we put bowl over there, the yellow fluid into the pan. And in Vietnamese language, for this Vietnamese pancake, we call bánh xèo. B-A-N-H. It means something from cake, something from rice, and xèo. X-E-O is the sealing sound when the people pour that fluid into the pan. Xèo. We call bánh xèo.
À, cái này là bông điên điển.
Yeah. Local flour. And some shrimp. 2 shrimp. And around 1 small spoon of pork. And eat it. And after that, we one more. Okay, yeah, that's good. And after that, yeah, use this spoon for cut, make a half of it, fold it in half. And that's what we finish. Put in your dish and enjoy. Yeah. Yeah.
Small enough.
So precision. When you eat, you can have as much as you want.
I brought a result from the Turkish airport in a bag.